Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Welcome guys, this is Rizwan, you watching Sparkland. Today I'm gonna show you my selfie stick with tripod. Hi guys, this is a MI selfie stick tripod. This I have purchased in MI store. The price was $1,099. This is the packing like this. Backside have some manufacturing details. MI selfie stick tripod. There is some screw. Inside the bag you will get user manual, how to use, and this is a Bluetooth. You can connect with the smartphones, you can capture with the pictures and record. You can also record with the videos. This is a high quality Bluetooth 4.3 iOS, and this is the main tripod. You can take with the selfies, and also you can record with videos, and also video calls you can be used. These bottoms are 3 legs made fully plastic. This is the bottom has giving for rubber for gripness. This tripod has many places used by rubber. For example, like this is a rubber pattern. This Bluetooth it will stick stand with this. You can easily remove and fix it. This have given metal stick. It will very strongly you can carry your mobile. If it is heavy weight also can be easily carry. They has a 3 different steps. You can be use that distance according to your selfie. This tripod you can be used by 360 angle. Any angle also you can be take the picture. Your mobile also you can carry with 2 different angle, landscape and portrait mode also. You can be. They have 3-4 steps. You can be carry it more. You can adjust with your mobile, and there is a different angle. You can be adjust by using by video calling, video something. This is the angle. Rotate the 360. This tripod has foldable tripod. You can carry very easily. You can fold it like this. If you fold smaller one, you can carry with your pocket, your handbag also. It comes very smaller within the hand. This video, that's all guys. If you like the video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you on next video.